With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone. So the question says, copy and complete the following by filling in the blanks 1 to 5 with appropriate words. The human female gonads are ovaries. A maturing egg in the ovary is present in a sac of cells called as the first dash. Now if we see from the diagram over here, for example, this is an ova. Now it is covered by a sac of cells. These sac of cells are called as follicles. So follicle would be our first blank. Now moving on. As the egg grows larger, the follicle enlarges and gets filled with a fluid and is now called as the dash follicle. Now further, this same egg which is covered by a sac of cells gets covered with another sac of cell or another follicle which contains fluid inside. Now this is also a follicle, but we will call it as a Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle. This is the advanced follicle. Now moving on. The process of releasing the egg from the ovary is called as dash, which is the third blank. Now as the ovary is fully matured in the follicle, the ova is fully matured in the follicle, so it will come out. So for example, this is an ovary. Now the ova, fully matured ova, which is inside the Graafian follicle, now it will come out. This process of coming out of the ova from the ovary into outside is known as ovulation. So ovulation would be our third blank. Now moving on. The ovum is picked up by the oviductal funnel and fertilization takes place in the dash, which is our fourth blank. Now of course the fimbriae, for example, these are the fimbriae. These fimbriae of the oviduct or the fallopian tube will catch the ova, and the transfer of ova will take place from the fallopian tube to the uterus, in between which fertilization will also take place. This is our sperm, and this will fuse with the ova here, and fertilization will take place. Now we are seeing that fertilization is taking place in the fallopian tube. So the question said the ovum is picked up by the oviductal funnel and fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. So this would be our fourth blank. Now moving on. In about a week, the blastocyst gets fixed in the endometrium of the uterus, and this process is called as dash, which is our fifth blank. Now as the zygote formation here will take place after fertilization, the zygote will get converted into blastocyst, and as it will get converted to blastocyst, it will move on finally into the uterus. For example, this is the uterus, so it will move finally into the uterus and get fixed here. This movement of zygote or the blastocyst into the uterus and its fixation here in the uterus is known as implantation. Implantation. So this would be our fifth blank. Implantation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.